Okay, I recorded taking this out of the box, or I thought I did. The video is gone, but here is my one of two launch day orders. So pretty. I got some kits. I love this pattern. I changed the colorway though because I'm not a huge fan of yellow. And I got these clear stickers. These should be the transparent dots. Yes, I got these. And then I got the canvas small tote. I'm so excited for this. I got it in black and beige so that it can go along with whatever I'm wearing. I also got the canvas because I'm not a big fan of leather when it comes to bags. And there's the satchel it came in. So now we will open box numero dos. If I can get it over here. Ugh. I already took the shipping stickers off. Let's see. Oh boy, oh boy. Cutters. Ta-da! Okay. So we got the monthly collection sticker book. Pretty foil. I'll go through and open everything individually. The Petite journal that came as the freebie with the neutral layers. It really is so much prettier in person. It's just gorgeous. Makes me think of tidal waves. I got another adhesive pocket pack, and I got an extra pack of the neutral layers because I did not get a neutral planner, surprisingly enough. So here is the colorful layers. Daily Duo. Yeah, buddy. And I got a cover to go on my son's. Here's the other colorful Daily Duo. So exciting. Tried to make his cover pretty plain so it wouldn't be all girly. The clear clutch. I can see what people are saying about the foggy. I don't know if you can see it on camera. There definitely is some kind of residue I'll have to wipe off, but that's okay. It's foiled on the vinyl. So pretty. I guess, yeah, it's done on the inside. And I love this blue. Love, love, love. Okay. Next, I got one of these tiny little pouches. Because sometimes a planny pouch is just too big when all you need is a pen and a pencil or something to that effect. I got a massive faith book for my Bible study notes. And I wanted to have the productivity format so I could take notes here but also make key points over here. So cool. So cool.
I got
some folio inserts for my on-the-go planner. And keep this code secret. I already gave away my other two. This baby. Flower power. I'm not a colorful person usually, but this flower power is so pretty. So pretty. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do is what pretty much everyone has done. I'm going to Frankenplan the weeks into my daily duos. I might not use these weeks though. I might make these weeks for my son's, no, because they're flowers on them. To be continued. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna Franken something. So there is the quick overview of the haul. I hope my husband doesn't come home right in the middle of this, because he'll probably flip. Set this big old box out of the way. Because he won't notice the massive pile of stuff. Let's hide the boxes. Yeah. These. Hiding under all the packaging. This is the first time I've done a launch day madness like this. This is not normal for me, but I went crazy. Okay. Get all the packaging out of the way. And that. And that too. All right. Sorry. So that's all of that. Let's check this out. See how this little guy looks. Oh. Ooh. It's a little tight to get it on there, but it works. Okay, so these are the daily duos. Those are stickers. Okay, let's go through these. I'm not a gold fan, but this is beautiful. Oh. And these, I love these. I will use the snot out of these. Oh. And these. I am a silver fan. This is my jam right here. Secondary is rose gold, and then regular gold is my least favorite. So there's that. We'll look at these kits. I customized these two. I believe this was Cherry Blossom and Cerulean. I'm not positive. This was just black and beige, even though it looks more gray. I think this was the same Cherry Blossom and Cerulean. Maybe Robin's Egg. I'm not sure. And then this one, I love this lace pattern. Beautiful. Okay, now what else? Let's look at the sticker book. I've never gotten one of these before. The foil. Oh my goodness. So pretty. Oh. Sorry, they're so pretty. Saw Mackenzie use this kit and it is just beautiful. Oh my goodness. Holographic. That is sweet. I can't stop. Oh, that's holographic too. I can't stop oohing and awing over how beautiful this. I'm not a purple fan. This purple is gorgeous. Wow. It's my birthday month. I love blues. And December. Okay. That is the sticker book. I love this cover, foiled. Now look at these dots. Paper out in between them. Okay. Whew. Oh wow, these are foil. Rose gold, silver, and gold. And then colors. Kinda, yeah. If you do this, you could probably see it better. That's why it was in there. So there's like your warm tones, your cool tones, and your foils. Let me flip this so you can see it. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Then we showed this. Maybe you can see the residue. It's really, it'll come off with a wipey, and it was free. Free. This was free, and this was free. This would probably be around $30 total. I think, what are these? No, Petite journals are like, yeah, like 7. Because it's 14 for 2. And then I would imagine this being at least 10. At least 10. Yeah. I can clean it. It'll be fine. So let's move the clutch. And let's look at this journal. This, I think, was productivity as well. Yes. Wunderbar. Don't quite know what I'm going to use this for yet. I might use this for my school. I'm not sure. Got 1 semester left before I'm done with my bachelor's degree. We shall see what I use it for. I got these folio inserts. I'm going to grab my folio and we will try them on for size. Oh, it's 1 insert. I said inserts. It is singular. Ooh. Ooh, I like this. A little sticker pocket. Okay. So I want to feed this through the whole thing. I'd rather not have to take all my books out. Nice. Okay. Ta-da! I'm gonna put pockets here, and I can put some IDs or bank cards. That's really the biggest reason I got this, is because a lot of times I'll go to the grocery store and take this because it has my meal planner in here, and I grocery shop out of my meal planner. It has my task list, so if I have any other errands to run, those are in there. And if I come up with anything, which I haven't yet, there's a spot to write things down as they come. So this could be my little quickie errands purse type thing. I have a sticker sheet that won't. There we go. But I didn't have anywhere to put my wallet. So now I do. My little dangly. Okay. And these corner pockets, I don't remember where I saw it, but I saw somebody put them in their Lifeplanner. And I have only ever put them in the folios. Never even thought about putting them in a Lifeplanner. That is genius. So I'm probably going to do that with these on the new planner. So cool. Alrighty, now let's stick those in here, and let me kind of give myself somewhere to work. Alright, well this is going to take some thinking, so I'm not going to video this part. But when I decide what I'm going to do, I will show you guys. I'm always scared I'm going to break these. I'm used to the older ones. Alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, hit that bell so you can see notifications when I put up new content. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.